what a time to be a builder. These last 3 weeks have been crazy. Anthropic just reset Fable usage limits, so now you have 3 more days to use Fable, unless they extend Fable usage again, which they probably will. OpenAI also just reset usage limits for like the 3rd time this week, and they also removed the 5-hour limit. So I've been going back and forth between Fable, GPT 5.6, and I even updated my frugal Fable skill to work with Codex and to allow Claude to delegate to Codex and back and forth. And I'll update that in my repo later today. And for me, these last 3 weeks have just been this roller coaster. The AI psychosis, my addiction to building just got so much worse because of this push and pull of losing Fable and getting GPT 5.6 and getting Fable back and having these usage limits reset every few days has just been a roller coaster for my dopamine and terrible for my sleep. But as they say, it's always darkest before the dawn, or maybe it's always lightest before the darkest. I don't know. But if we zoom out, it really feels like the AI boom is coming to an end. It's slowing down. And I don't want to be a doomer. This is not about AI dooming. This is about the reality that what we've been using till now has been highly subsidized. I unfortunately really believe the other shoe's about to drop. The prices for AI usage is going to go up dramatically. Price of tokens keep going up. The models keep getting more expensive. I think I saw somewhere that OpenAI pretty much offered 5% stake to the US government to invest in OpenAI, which is essentially equivalent to a government bailout, similar to the SpaceX stock, which is now in a ton of different indexes, meaning even if you didn't invest in it, your 401k might have, and the US economy depends on it. And if the US government has a 5% stake in OpenAI, it's not going to be too much different. The US economy, if not the world economy, now depends, without a doubt, on AI's success. And I'm obviously not an economist, but it seems like the bubble where we have these companies with crazy valuations, $1 trillion, looks like a recipe for disaster. Now, if and when the bubble does burst, I don't think it's the end of AI. I believe it will be a reset. The AI companies might have to stop building data centers, which might actually be better for the environment. Yeah, I care about that too. But if it plays out how I hope it will, AI will still progress. Us, the normies, not the people at the top, not the executives, will have to learn not to depend on frontier AI and get used to open source AI, open weights models, which continue to improve, mainly from China. But Mira Murati, the ex-CTO of OpenAI, who started her own company, Thinking Machines, just released their own American open source model, which is multimodal. It's currently too big to run locally, but there is hope. So what I'm getting at, I believe the progress will come to a halt sooner rather than later. Hopefully before it destroys the whole economy, there will be a reset and we will still be able to build. But until then, take advantage of the Codex reset. Take advantage of the current $20, $100, $200 pricing models, because soon it will probably jump to $500 and $1,000, if not more, and mainly API token pricing, which at the end of the day changes the game for most of us. I don't know, I'm just sitting here like most of you guys, building, enjoying what we have now, complaining about usage limits, complaining about prices, but I really think it's about to get more expensive. So like my mom always told me, when I had hair, enjoy it while you got it. So that's the end of my rant. Let me know what you guys think. If you have any questions or feedback, drop in the comments below. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.